Hi guys, this is Jenny from Wisdom Power, BSLBATT team. BSLBATT Best Solution Lithium Battery is a professional lithium-ion battery manufacturer, including R&D and OEM services for more than 18 years. BSLBATT lithium products power a range of applications like solar energy, home energy system, RVs, golf carts, marine, and forklift. Today, I would like to introduce our battery for aerial lift platform. 12.8 volts, 150 ampere hours in an ABS case. With the dimension 522 length, 240 wide, and 218 height. And the weight is about 30 kilograms. We have used lead-acid battery for our platforms a lot, but our customers need free maintenance battery for 2 to 3 years. That's why we look forward to lithium battery. This is our end users' voices. That's right, and using lithium battery to replace lead-acid battery, it can save their labor cost and time cost, and their working efficiencies improves a lot. This is lithium battery's advantage and superiority. Hi guys, this is an indicator connecting with the batteries, and you just use this plug to connect with the battery like this. After finish that, when you turn on the screen, the battery details will be shown on the screen. And the length is about 5 meters. If you need 2 meters or 3 meters, we can customize for you. Look at this indicator. It's now showing the battery status like voltage, current, including charge and discharge, and the power, and the charging and discharging time, and the SOC. And what's more, the functions like low capacity alarm, we can set it just following our instruction. Hope you guys enjoy this video and the great benefits what lithium brings. Thank you so much for your time in advance, and see you next time. Bye.